Good morning, Gigi. Today we bring you a video of energy. We will talk about energy, and the energy crisis that many are ignorant to. Many may be unaware of the growing issue in energy. To help further explain this topic, we have invited Dr. Pol, leading expert in energy resources in the Island School University in Russia. Let's give up a round of applause for Dr. Pol.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us on the show, Mr. Pol.
My pleasure.
So please, if you will, the concerning issue of energy crisis.
Well, to get further explanation of the issue, we need to know the roots of this issue. To begin, let's start at the very start. When we first discovered these new resources like coal, charcoal, fossil fuels, uranium, natural gases and more, we were just overwhelmed by the new source of power, and we did not take the side effects and dangerous byproducts seriously. As a small place with no indigenous energy resources such as oil, gas or coal, Hong Kong has been relying mainly on imported fossil fuels to support its energy sector. In terms of electricity supply, two independent power companies, each providing generation, transmission, distribution and retailing of electricity, serve all major residential, commercial and industrial developments in the SAR. Coal and, more recently, natural gas are imported to generate electricity locally at 3 power stations. The energy sector is the largest contributor to Hong Kong's carbon dioxide emissions, responsible for about 97% of the total carbon dioxide emissions, and most of which comes from electricity generation. At present, energy is untaxed, and there are no eco-taxes to internalize local or global pollution costs associated with fossil fuel combustion.
What are the advantages and disadvantages of Hong Kong getting their energy in this way?
The advantages of getting energy from fossil fuels is that firstly, it is very efficient. Fossil fuels are one of the easiest and the cheapest ways to create energy. This is mainly because fossil fuels can be found very commonly. Vast quantities of coal can be found in mines, natural gas and oil could also be found underground. Plus, the fact that fossil fuels power plants can be constructed pretty much anywhere, as it is very easy to transport fossil fuels from place to place.
What about the disadvantages?
Though fossil fuels may be cheap and efficient, they have great impact to the environment around us. Fossil fuels release carbon dioxide when burnt, producing a lot of greenhouse gas, worsening global warming.
Can you give us a case study about one of the power plants in Hong Kong?
Yes. We will be talking about the Castle Peak Power Station located in the New Territories. This power plant is a fossil fuels power plant. It may produce mass amounts of energy, but at the same time, a lot of waste such as carbon dioxide is released during the process of burning the coal. A better case would be the wind power station located on Lamma Island. This wind-powered station may not be as efficient as the Castle Peak fossil fuels power plant, but it has a way smaller impact to the environment. This wind-powered station is very environmentally friendly as it uses wind as its base resource. Wind is a resource that cannot be used up, meaning the wind can be used forever and we would have no worries about it running out.
That's it for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in today, and next time we would be talking about water in Hong Kong.